get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building buyers with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shopping like, woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear.
All right, let's see these curls. Let's see these curls. Ooh, got big curl. We got big juicy curls. I'm gonna put the wig on like this. Let me pull it all to the front. We haven't done anything to it. We're gonna get it together though, and it's gonna be very easy and straight to the point. So this is a 7x4 22-inch body wave. Ready to go wig. Ready to go meaning they did pretty much everything. Pre-cut lace, pre-bleach, pre-plucked, pre-curled. And if I get close, you can see just how pre-plucked it really is. And you do not have to do anything to that hairline. This part looks amazing to not have anything on it, and there's nothing under it. I pushed my wig cap all the way back, so look. You see my hair? You see those juicy curls? And we will be combing them out, so I don't want to touch them too much. But yes, the color, dark, it's like A1. You see the middle part, the wig fits like a glove in the best way possible. So the cap is upgraded. There's no holes in this cap. You just put it on just like a dome cap, like a spandex cap. And I like that because when I make my wigs myself, I always use a dome cap. For one, it feels better, and two, they last longer. So yeah, I like the way that feels. The middle part we are going to keep, and I think I'm just gonna start. I don't think there's much else to say about this hair. So far, it has a beautiful luster. It doesn't look too shiny. It feels nice. It doesn't feel too silky. So I feel like when we do comb out the curls, they're gonna last. So the first thing I want to do is make sure that the lace is cut down enough. Now this can vary depending on how your natural hairline is. My hairline is pretty simple, I guess I would say, or basic. I have a widow's peak right here, and then the rest of my hairline kind of cuts back, so this is good for me. I have my foundation brush here, and I'm just gonna take whatever's on it. I'm not putting anything new, and I'm going to, first of all, I'm gonna blend my forehead up because I did not put makeup here. And then I'm gonna just take whatever's here and just put it on the edge of the lace. Putting the makeup on the lace is just an extra step to make sure that whatever you do after, like if you decide to do baby hair or not, you do not have a cast of whiteness. When I turn my head, you can kind of see where the lace is. So one thing I can do is go on top. And then move these hairs. Nairobi foam wrap. Now I'm going to use a concealer, and this is a little bit lighter than my highlight color I would use. Now we're just gonna put a little bit of a little bit of mascara here in the back because it looks like I was a little heavy-handed back there. Taking my wax stick and I'm just gonna. The hair is still a little bit damp, but that's not gonna matter. So I get it nice and flat. The crazy part about this is that literally, you can literally spend 10 minutes when you get your wig right out the mailbox and go about your way. Ouch. Oh, I burnt my real hair. Oh, I burnt my real self. Oof. What is this on? I'm gonna go to 10. I was on 15. Whew. I just need to take a second. I'll be right back. Baby hair or no baby hair, and I don't want to do a lot, maybe just like a little bit here. I try to do like a little bit of everything so that I'm not just doing the same thing over and over again. But I also feel like this hairline looks really nice and clean, like this. So maybe no baby hair this time. We're going to use our foam wrap to secure the lace. This part is pretty straightforward and simple. I'm just going to and then once we put the edge wrap on, it's going to act as an adhesive, but it's definitely not 100% secure, but it's going to stay in place until you do lift the wig up. Once you lift the wig up, obviously it's going to be like it is right now. So you'll have to add more foam to get it back to super melty look. But either way, it's gonna look good. I'm telling you, if you don't get one of these to secure your wigs, instead of the ones, because those, I was using those faithfully and they started pulling my nape hairs out. So this is so much better and it's a little bit thinner, so you can really get here and still be able to style your hair. Okay. A brush is fine, whatever, it doesn't matter. You just have to be careful because I've been putting product and I've been flipping it. But that already looks so good. I've been flipping it and everything. So some catching is expected. Flyaways, we always go hairspray and just smooth them out. This is how the curls are looking. You can choose to stay here, add more curls, or comb it out for a bigger, fluffier look. I kept it how it came. So it was in the middle part, added a little concealer to bring the part forward a little more. This is a 7x4. So it looks like a frontal, feels like a frontal, but it's not as much work as a frontal. The curls were pre-curled. Add me a little hairspray and let them dry. As it starts to fall, I'll probably just keep brushing it because it is body wave hair. So you're not gonna need to keep putting heat on it. I love the way the hair feels from the lace to the curls. Pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-plucked, ready to go. I will link this hair from Wiggins in the description, as well as all the information so you can check them out for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Beat that, I'ma make you